Well, everyone, you might be trying to figure out how you can go ahead and fix your Amazon Fire Stick if it's stuck on the logo screen. Now, this can happen for a couple of different reasons. Number one, with your Amazon Fire Stick, you're going to want to go through and just see if you can wait and see if that will end up fixing the problem. For a lot of people, sometimes just going through and just kind of like just waiting and seeing if it ends up fixing itself is probably one of the most important things I'd recommend doing. So leave it powered on and connect it to the TV for at least like 25 to 30 minutes. They recommend to not unplug it. Sometimes it might be installing an update, and if you unplug it during that time, it can actually permanently break your device. So go through, make sure you're not doing that, and you want to see if that ends up fixing the problem. You might also need to go through and see if your Fire Stick is getting enough power. Sometimes your Fire Stick might not be getting enough power inside of it, so you might have to go through and pair it up to a higher power source. That can be another really important thing I'd recommend kind of thinking about as well, because that might end up fixing it for you. You can check the cables, making sure there's not any big massive problems with the cables there. Remove any extenders that are kind of there as well. Those are kind of the main ways to go and fix these problems. You can also double check your Wi-Fi connection, making sure there's no Wi-Fi issues, but those are kind of the main ways to go and fix these problems. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.